Did you know 80% of cloud breaches in 2024 were due to simple misconfigurations? In 2025, securing your cloud environment is non-negotiable. Whether you're storing personal data, running a business, or using AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, this video will show you how to protect your cloud from cyber threats. Hi, I'm Larby, and welcome to Binary Station, where we simplify cybersecurity for everyone. Today, we're sharing the top cloud security practices for 2025 to keep your cloud environment safe. If you use cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, stick around. First, lock down your accounts with multi-factor authentication, or MFA. This adds an extra step, like a code sent to your phone, to verify your identity. MFA is one of the easiest ways to block unauthorized access. Enable it on all your cloud accounts today. Next, encrypt your data. Encryption scrambles your information so hackers can't read it, even if they get in. Ensure both the data stored in the cloud and the data moving between devices are encrypted. Check your cloud provider's settings to confirm encryption is active. Identity and Access Management, or IAM, lets you control who can access your cloud resources. Follow the least privilege rule. Only give users the access they need. This simple step reduces the risk of data leaks and strengthens your cloud security. Stay vigilant with real-time monitoring. Tools like AWS CloudWatch or Azure Security Center track activity and flag suspicious behavior, like unusual logins. Set up alerts to act fast if something's off. Monitoring is your early warning system. Cloud providers regularly release updates to fix security gaps. Enable automatic updates or schedule regular checks to keep your systems patched. Staying up to date is a quick win for cloud security. Finally, embrace Zero Trust architecture, a 2025 must-have. Zero Trust assumes no one is automatically trusted, requiring constant verification for every user and device. Implement it to stay ahead of evolving cyber threats. Your cloud provider secures the infrastructure, like servers and networks, but you're responsible for protecting your data and settings. For example, AWS offers tools like Shield for DDoS protection, but you must enable them. Always follow your provider's security guidelines to stay safe.